Hello guys, welcome back to Affiliate Offar. I hope this video finds you in good health. Now today we are going to check another site that is called Mercor, and this is the site. You can just open a new tab and type Mercor, and the site is mercor.com, okay? Or you can use the link in the description below. Now when you're here, just click on Mercor. This is the platform. So this platform is an AI powered hiring platform that connect job seekers like you and me with remote companies or startups that are looking for online workers. Okay, so when you're here, I just want you to click on search roles, and this is the dashboard you'll see. Now this platform, they have a lot of gigs that require you to have certified skills and have a proven experience. Okay, like you can see here, they have scroll down, they have they require mathematics PhD students. Come down here, they have chemistry expert PhD, and for such roles they do pay very well. As you can see here, they pay 65 to 85 dollars per hour, and investment service expert 80 to 120 USD per hour, and even others that Rust, JavaScript 70 USD to 90 USD. But today we're not here for those. I just want to share with you some of the gigs I found here that don't require you to have any experience, or they require minimal experience. Okay, so one of those gigs I found here that don't require any experience is called question and answer analyst, and for this they pay $5 to $10 per hour, and this is an easy job. Anyone can do it. What they require you to do is they will provide you with a recorded interview of a candidate, and what they require you is to check whether there are some fraud issues with the candidate. They require you to check their LinkedIn profile in case the candidate provided that, and match it with the resume that the candidate uploaded. And if you check that and you found some issues, you need to notify the company that gave you that job. Okay, and some of the requirement they require here is that you need to be excellent in communication. You need to be familiar with the LinkedIn profile, and I believe you know LinkedIn and you can navigate that so well. You need to be strong in critical thinking. Believe you can do that. So this is something that anyone can do. So this is I think this is an easy $5 or $10 per hour that anyone can do. Now another gig that don't require you to have much skill is data annotation, and this is going to be an easy job for those people who used to work on UHRS. So make sure if you're going to apply for this and you have experience with UHRS, make sure you mention that in your resume. Okay, so what they require you here to do is just to annotate and categorize text, images, and other data according to the detailed guideline. Okay, so they will require to go through the guideline that they will provide, then annotate that according to the provided guideline. Okay, and another thing, you need to be based in United States. Ability to synthesize complex and high volume information into structured format. I believe you can do that, or you can even use tools, AI tools, to help you structure that. They pay so well. They pay 45 USD per hour for this gig. So This is also an easy one that anyone, especially those people who used to work on UHRS, can do. Or even if you didn't do that, if you didn't work on UHRS, don't be afraid. They will provide you with the guideline. So go ahead and apply for this. Now, another gig that I found here that don't require to have any skills is visual annotation expert, and for this they pay 40 USD per hour. It's just the same like the data annotation, except this one is for videos. Okay, so for this they will also provide you with a video, a recording, then they'll require you to annotate some elements on that video, and you get paid for that. Okay, so another one thing they require you to do is to go through the provided guidelines, then do the job according to the provided guidelines. Now, for all these jobs, most of them they will pay you through Stripe. The payment is through Stripe, and they will pay you weekly. So after application, you'll need to connect your Stripe account. Okay, now if you decide to apply for these types of jobs, here are some tips that you can use to help you get accepted from this platform. Okay, now number one is that they don't accept application worldwide. Currently they are accepting applications in US, UK, Canada, and Australia. So if you're not in these 4 regions, Australia, Canada, UK, and USA, then you must use a proxy. There's a link in the description for that, for those people who don't have. So a proxy is a must. Number 2 is that they will require you to do a video interview. Okay, that you'll have to show your face. Okay, one interview, real results. You see, they'll require you to do this kind of interview. So make sure that the DL you are going to use for your verifications has your face, or has the face of the person you are using their DL, or the person you are using their DL is the person who is supposed to do the live interview, in case you are going to apply for this. Okay, so for those people who don't have DLs, just contact us through our email, affiliateoffers@gmail.com, and we can see how we can help you get your verification documents. Okay, now the third tip is that you'll have to be knowledgeable about the gig you're applying for. Okay, don't just upload the resume from ChatGPT, then you go to the interview without learning the gig. Okay, you need to be knowledgeable about that gig before you start the interview, so that you can avoid fumbling during the live interview. Okay, now number 4, you need to humanize the resume you've generated with your ChatGPT, because I believe everyone nowadays is generating their resume using ChatGPT. So if you are also generating that using your ChatGPT, then you need to humanize it. Okay, if you check the link in the description, there is a free humanizer. I've already linked it there, so you can use it. Just upload your resume here, then you need to click on professional CV and recruiter, then CV or resume, then humanize it. Okay, before you upload it on that platform. Okay, now number 5 is that during the live interview, in case you're not knowledgeable or you need help with doing the interview, there are certain tools that are undetectable during the live interview. So those tools, most of them are paid. Okay, those tools will help you do the live interview in that they will give you all the answers on the screen, but the camera of the live interview won't detect it. So most of them are paid. I'm still looking for the most affordable one or a free one, and I'll link it in the comment section below. Also I'll also link it in our Telegram channel. So in case you haven't joined our Telegram channel, kindly join it so that you don't get so that you get all the updates on time. Okay, now the bonus one is that these people, they tend to use LinkedIn to verify most of these resume, and also to check the type of jobs you've been doing, or to check what you've been doing so far. Now, if you can make a LinkedIn profile, your chances will be so high, but is not required. But for those people who can also generate a LinkedIn profile, your chances of getting hired will be so high. Okay, so if you can do that, kindly do it. Now, that's all I have for today. In case you still have more questions, kindly let me know in the comment section below, or in our Telegram group. Just ask your questions there and I'll be happy to answer. Okay, I hope I'll see you in the next video. Be blessed.